Slice, a pizza game. How to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to finish 3 pizzas, or 1 or 2 pizzas for a shorter game. Shuffle the pizza order cards and deal 1 face-up to each player. Shuffle the slice cards and deal 8 to each player, which they arrange face down around their pizza order without peeking. Place the remaining decks face down in the middle. Pick a player to be the first drawer. The drawer flips over the top card from the pizza deck, so everyone can see it, in a discard pile called the open pile. Now, any other player who has a matching topping on their order card can slap the top card in the open pile to add it to their pizza. If multiple people slap at the same time, then whoever's hand is on bottom, or covering the majority of the card, gets it. Between draws, players must keep their slapping hand flat on the table, and the drawer must remove their hand as quickly as possible after revealing a card. When you slap a card, replace it with the face-down card in the corresponding spot on your order. Then, secretly look at the replaced card. If that card can be matched to another topping on your pizza, then play it there immediately. If it can't, then you become the new drawer and discard the pizza card to the open pile, which any other player can slap. If no one slaps a revealed pizza card after 3 seconds, then the drawer flips over another card. The drawer may not slap cards. If you slap an incorrect card that does not match a topping with a face-down pizza card, then you get burned and you must discard all your face-up pizza cards, excluding hot sauce cards, to the open pile. Now, you must take the open pile and, without shuffling it, place it at the bottom of the draw deck. Replenish your pizza order with new face-down pizza cards, then you become the new drawer and the game continues. Hot sauce is used to block another player's pizza card. It prevents that slice from being completed until the hot sauce is removed. To remove a hot sauce, play a matching topping or combo card. Then, discard both those cards to the open pile. They may not be slapped. A combo card is a wild that can be used as any topping or to remove a hot sauce. Once all 8 slices on your order are complete, place the last swapped card face down in front of you and discard all the rest of the cards to the open pile. Then, move the open pile to the bottom of the deck. Draw a new order card along with 8 face-down pizza cards. Then, flip over the face-down pizza card onto the open pile for others to grab with you as the new drawer. Continue playing until one player has completed 3 pizzas. Then they are the winner. An optional rule you can play with is called Fresh Start. Whenever you get burned, you may draw a new order card if you want, discarding all your old pizza cards, including hot sauces. Finally, if playing with 2 players, the drawer must use their non-dominant hand to flip cards, and both players are allowed to slap the open pile.